is New York State election law, which makes it a crime to conspire to promote a candidacy by unlawful means. I further indicated a number of unlawful means, including more additional false statements, including statements that were planned to be made to tax authorities. I also noted the federal election law cap on contribution limits.
But why weren't there those crimes charged? Why wasn't he charged with those crimes?
Well, I'm not going to go into our deliberative process on what was brought. The charges that were brought were the ones that were brought. The evidence in the law is the basis for those decisions.
That is Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg answering questions after holding this press conference in Manhattan. I want to bring in Joy once again just to kind of unpack what was said. What did you pick up?
Well, I pick up a couple of things. One, it sounds pretty much like an opening statement.
Yeah.
He's going to tell you what the evidence they're going to put forward they hope will bring. He put it within the context of what the grand jury found, but he also kind of outlined for us kind of the Manhattan District Attorney's legal theory in the case, which is that this was a scheme. So this isn't about just business records.
Catch and kill scheme.
It was a scheme to catch and kill in furtherance of shielding information from voters at a time when he was running for president. That's the first time we've ever kind of had it all put together like that. The second thing that the district attorney did was in speaking out, he's defending his office. He's saying, hey, we bring white collar cases all the time. And he went through, everything about, we're gonna bring everything down. One of the more interesting things he said to me was that he says no amount of money or power is going to change how that district attorney's office is comporting its business. So he again is speaking not just to the press, he's speaking out to the larger audience, and he's not stupid. He's also speaking out to any potential jurors who are out there as well.
So one of the things that really stood out to me is when he was saying that this is 9 months that allegedly Donald Trump had these documents to shield some kind of information, and how a lot of folks think this was politically motivated, and why now do you bring this case? And he's pretty much said, I bring the cases when they are ready. Why wasn't it so important for him to say something like that?
Well, he has to. I mean, again, when he first came in and people said, hey, the guy before you did not do this. When you came in, you said you would not do this. So why are you doing this now, dude? And he had to address that, I think. Again, there's the court of law and then there's the court of public opinion. And he is speaking about what he intends to bring as his case goes on. And he's bringing it out into the court of public opinion to try to, defend himself. He talked about the excellent work that the office does. So he's trying to get across, hey, we're pros at this stuff, and we went through and we built, and you've heard my legal theory on the case. You know that we're not going to stand down, and this is what it is.
Joy, it's always a pleasure having you on and sharing your expertise. From Joy and I, thank you so much for watching our live coverage of former President Trump's arraignment. We also plan on bringing you live coverage when Mr. Trump speaks tonight. And remember, for the latest developments in the story, check with Newsday.com. I'm Ken Buffa. Thank you again.